Good morning all 10th class students. In this video we are going to explore the topic creating subtotals. So first of all, let's have a look on the data through which we will understand the concept. In the workbook data for subtotals.ods, ODS is the extension of this workbook, and in the first sheet we have the data for which we are going to apply the concept of subtotals. In the data you can notice items column is the heading for various items available, and for each month we have the detail of how many items have been sold. But you can notice mouse have been appearing in this thrice, and keyboard is appearing twice, and speakers is appearing only once. So if we want to make total of all the mouse sold in the month of Jan, Feb, March, April, May and June. Likewise for keyboard also. That means we are working on the subtotals. If I am trying to find the total in this manner, sum or from this column, this, it is not about subtotal. It is about overall total. That means overall in the month of Jan, how many items have been sold. But if I want to know for each of the items, then I will go with the option of subtotals. So to do so, first of all, make sure that all the columns have proper naming. You will notice items, Jan, Feb, I have given the proper naming to each of the columns. After that, we will select the range of cells for which we want to go for subtotals. Then in the data menu, with the option of subtotals, and in this there are various tabs available. In the subtotals dialog, in the first group tab, we will select the group by, on which column or on which column heading we want to make grouping. I want to make grouping based upon the items, that all the same items should have the one group. That's why I will choose with the items. After that, we want to apply which function. Definitely I want to find the sum right now, and for each of the columns I want the separate sum. So right now selecting all things. After that, in the options you can notice there are various other options, like for each subgroup it will provide page break in between if I check it here, and while making a group it should have taken care of case sensitivity. Then I will check this checkbox, which I don't need right now, and it will sort the information in ascending order right now. So click OK, and in this manner for each same item it has made one group, and for each column it has created subtotals like 22 for Jan, and for Feb 34, 12 plus 22, 34, and for each mouse also it has done the same. For mouse in the Jan, 23 plus 10 plus 32, 65 is appearing, and speaker only has one record, so 20. So in the actual subtotal also 20. Later on grand total is also reflected, 22 plus 65 plus 20 you can calculate, and it will be 107. In this manner we have learned the use of subtotals. Let's see what your book is saying. Subtotal is a function listed under the mathematical category when you use the function wizard insert arrow function, and because of its usefulness the function has graphical interface accessible from data arrow subtotals. That means this subtotal feature is available in the data menu and with the name subtotals also. And how to do this? Using the subtotals dialog, you can select arrays and then choose a statistical function to apply to them. You would have noticed after selecting the data, we have applied the function as per our needs. So the same the language of book is also saying. And technically, first step is ensure that the column have labels, and after that you will select the range of cells, and then from the data menu you will select the subtotals item, and after that a dialog box appears in which in the first group tab you will select the group by item on which you want to make a grouping, and you will select all the column labels also for which you want to make subtotals, and based upon which numerical function you want to do the calculation you will select that and press OK also. Before that, you can understand that in the options tab you can go for page break option, you can go for case sensitivity, you can pre-sort areas according to your groups, and You can choose ascending or descending order display as well. That's all about the subtotals. Thank you, all of you, for right now.